Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to use the Wix Studio. First is open your web browser to log in into your account, and onto the homepage we can notice here we have the sites, the mobile apps, the templates that we are available, we have the custom applications, the earnings, and many more things. Now if you want to create a specific website, you can go onto the site section, click this create new site. You can choose either on Studio Editor, Harmony Editor, Wix Editor, or the Wix Headless. Now we're going to choose on Wix Editor and choose one of the templates if you don't want to start from scratch. It'll turn into this page. Now, if you're looking more on a business website, you can just simply type here a business and you can find a theme regarding onto the business pages or website. If you want to choose one, click this edit button and wait for it to load. It will turn into like this page. And from here, you can modify the text, the colors, and also the images as you can see here. Now, when you're done adding all of those informations, you can also add a quick adds, elements, such as a design kits, wireframes, and many more, depending on to your things. And when you're done, you can publish this, and then you can connect your specific domain onto this website, enable for you to get this website. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.